Me have a message for all of the so-called goats them in a dancehall who fight over goat status. I come to let the them know say none of uno are no goat. And none of uno are no the greatest of all time. If anyone of uno a goat, show me uno hands them, uno tail, and uno forefoot. The eye them are no G-O-A-T round here. The eye them are G-O-T-T. Greatest of this time. And if we are going to talk about the greatest of all times, you have to talk about the man them who created dancehall. How you fi say una the greatest of all time when una band comes to dancehall? What you say now? Una greater than Sir Coxsone, Joe Creed, King Tubby, King Jammies, Fatis Burrell, Tony Kelly, Dave Kelly, Lee Scratch Perry, just to name a few, and all of the great artists them who work with them producers there for shape dancehall and made it what it is now, that people from all over the world can copy and create them own genre out of dancehall. So on and so on, greater than them man there. Since when the branches become greater than the root? The eye them are the greatest of this time, G-O-T-T, but not the greatest of all time. And you know why? Because the man them who created dancehall, in them day there, they were great. And they're still great until this day. Because ever since, people not stop listening to their music and copy their music and sample their music all over the world and create their own genre. So what about them greatness there? So how una go say una the greatest of all time? Back in them day there, them people that were created dancehall, they never used to fight who are the greatest of all time. They never used to fight over them thing there. Them just work and just do great work and be creative. So how they are them come now? I say uno are the greatest of all time. How old is uno music? A few years ago, they are them start the music compared to the original man them. The original man them do music before the band, and the music reign from them time there up to this time. So that is what you call the greatest of all time.